Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The government is calling on the private sector to become more involved in improving Jamaica's water infrastructure. General Manager of Public-Private Partnership and Privatization Services at the Development Bank of Jamaica, TVJ, Denise Arana, admitted that help is needed. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
3 years ago, the government announced plans to privatize the National Water Commission. A 36-month timeline was then set for the agency to be placed on the stock market. Back then, the president of the National Water Commission, Mark Barnett, said he does not believe the agency should be privatized, although the agency had suffered billions of dollars in losses. The issue now resurfacing as Jamaicans become more impatient with frequent water lockoffs. The DBJ says it is desperately trying to find investors who are willing to work on improving Jamaica's water infrastructure.
It's all about delivering critical public services to Jamaicans, right? And improving their quality of life. Mr. Hill will know we're working seriously on water. We really want to have, some private sector participation in the water sector. Because we know that delivering, reliable and consistent supply of water to Jamaicans, that's critical at this point.
She says the DBJ is changing the kind of projects it offers for public-private partnerships with hopes of attracting more investors.
So we've kind of shifted from the commercial type transactions where we're looking on airports and ports that are funded by the users to critical social sector type projects. And we know it's an uphill battle, but we're going to do it. We're going to do it.
Last year, NWC engaged NCB Capital Markets in a $15 billion refinancing agreement. The move was highlighted as a step that could help to position the utility company to attract investment and go public. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Sagicor Group Jamaica is reporting a net profit of $2.7 billion for the first quarter of 2019. That's a 2% increase over the same period last year. Total revenues amounted to $20 billion. Sagicor says its revenue was bolstered by an 11% increase in net premium income, investment income being up 29%, fees and other income growing 26%, and revenue from hotels raking in $1.47 billion with the consolidation of the X Fund. Now, currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $136.53. The Canadian dollar sold for $100.40. The pound closed the day at $177.55, while the euro is now being sold for $156.04. On the stock market, the JSE index lost 723 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 6 points. Among today's winners were T-Tech, Key Insurance, Fosrich, Blue Power Group, and Epley. On the losing side were ISP Finance Services, Cygnus Credit Investments, USD Shares, Siboney Group, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and General Accident Insurance Company. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.